Hey everyone, Manero here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get creative drawing heads from random shapes using Procreate. So let's jump right into it. In order to achieve this, I'm going to be using my Manero Brushes Character Designer Toolkit. I will also use the comic book artist brush set for Procreate. You can find them both, along with free versions for you to try out, on my Gumroad page through the link in the right corner of this video, or in the description below. A nice bundle with these two sets is also available to help you save some coins. The first thing I'm going to do is to add a variety of random shapes to my canvas using the Character Designer Toolkit brushes for Procreate. I'm alternating between blue and red colors, just so it is visually more interesting. This toolkit comes with 40 different shapes just for character heads, so there is a huge range of shapes to choose from for this exercise. You can also see me using the selection and transform tools to rearrange my shapes in the canvas. Once I'm happy with them, I'm going to switch to the comic book artist brush set. This set comes with many pencil and inking brushes that are perfect for drawing comics, but also for character designing. Today, I'm going to use the soft pencil brush to do a rough sketch of all the heads I want to draw, inspired by the shapes I've placed on my canvas. This pencil is absolutely fantastic, and I love it. It just feels so smooth and easy to sketch with. As you can see, I'm using each shape as a base for the head, and I try to add the rest of the features accordingly. For some elements, I allow myself to draw outside the colored area, for example when doing the hair. For others, I will simply constrain myself to the colored area. I find that working within limitations can definitely help with boosting my creativity. There are different things that these random shapes are suggesting me. For example, they provide me with totally different structures that make each character look unique. They also inspire in what direction each head is looking to. Sometimes a specific part of a shape can suggest a characteristic accessory, like a hat, glasses, or a hair bun. They can also make you think of the age of the character, if it is a young person, middle, or advanced age. But my favorite thing is when the shape can make you think of the character having an exaggerated feature like a huge nose or ears. With all the sketches finished, I can jump to do the final lines. For that purpose, I'm going to use the Bold Comics brush. This is a fantastic and super organic inking brush that allows you to do some quick thinking when drawing your final strokes. The lines come out the Apple Pencil with a very natural feel. It is also really well calibrated to allow you to do thin or thick lines, just by regulating the pressure you apply with your pen. I personally love to use thicker lines for the general drawing and then refine it by adding details using thinner lines. My goal with this inking part of the process is to refine and take the final decisions over the designs I've roughly sketched before. I'm cleaning up my previous rough lines and also clearing up what wasn't clear enough before, like the expressions of some of the characters or some of their features. I'm also taking my time to finalize each face with fine details. I find this part of the process very relaxing, and I actually love doing it while listening to some music or a podcast in the background. Inking random characters can be very satisfying. If you're watching this and you're a beginner, I totally recommend you to try it out. Don't be afraid. It's actually a great exercise if you're starting your approach to drawing. Think of it as imagining what the clouds in the sky look like to you, and don't worry if some of the characters end up looking a little bit ugly. I think that is part of the fun. And this is the final result. I really hope you liked this video. If you use my brushes and post your art on social media, feel free to use the hashtag #ManeroBrushes so that I can see what you create. I will be extremely happy to share your creations with my audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find my Character Designer Mega Bundle for Procreate and many other sets that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.